Hello guys, and this is going to be a quick, this isn't kind of the thing on this channel, but this is going to help me move into the future of technology in the filming. I got the GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition today, and I find it wildly humorous that I'm using a GoPro to film a GoPro unboxing. So let's get it opened up. This isn't like a tutorial for cameras. This is just unboxing my new camera, which most if not all the videos will be used on in the near future. So it has this fancy schmancy little case. I really like that. And I gotta tell you, to start off with, none of this is surprising to me because I've watched an unboxing before this got here. So here you've got your bits and pieces, and I'm, oh yep, there you go. There's your normal GoPro stickers. I'll take them. I love stickers. Add them to the laptop. So we've got here charge cable. Probably won't use it. A little curved mount. Probably won't use it. Oh my goodness, you got to have little baby fingers to get in here. A little thingamajiggamabobber. Might use that. The battery, definitely going to use that. This little guy, definitely going to use that. And good lord, the camera. So let's see. Let's do. We got to take this guy off first and do a first impression. Not sure how any of this actually works. It would probably behoove me to read the instructions. It looks like that should just... Is that... Oh, there we go. Okay. So, SD card and battery go in there. Let's get the battery in. Battery is in. Let's put an SD card in there. Where is my SD cards? There they are. I got a new SD card for it too, but it's only 64 gigabyte. But I've got these, let's see if I can read this, it's so small. These Samsung Imagine Mate Pro 125 gigabyte cards, which that's what I'm going to use in here. So we'll get that mounted up in there as well. Let's put it in the right way though, boys. Alright, that's in there. So what am I supposed to give for first impressions? It's like a GoPro, you know. I'll take a picture of a side-by-side. What I'm filming on right now is the GoPro 7 Silver, and the 9 Black is a larger camera. It feels so sturdy, real sturdy. So I'm excited to use it. So anyway, like I said, short video, just unboxing my new camera. I've got a couple more unboxings to do sitting over here, over there behind me. Actually, they're the same thing, so one more, but I got two of them. And I'll film them on this camera once it gets charged up and I get to play with it a little bit. Anyway guys, thanks a million.